Hi guys, so today I just realized a couple of issues with projects. So for example, if we have a post and we want to delete our own post, and we just got an error, we say constraint with foreign keys, some problem with foreign keys. So basically a post is is a foreign key to multiple table like, command, and bookmark. So if a post has a like or any command bookmark, we have to specify what happened with those records in that table. So here we have like, command, and bookmark. Post has many like, has many command and bookmark. So when the post is deleted, we have to write like this, dependent destroy. So that means when the post is deleted, its like also be deleted. And we will repeat it like this. Okay, save it. Yeah, so photos, like, command, bookmarks all got deleted. Alright, and let's try to delete it. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you next time.